the header plant again.
Well, I have pants on fire.
What's his head?
Sit, birds. We do. Oh no! Yes, definitely. Can't wait to see that
That's what Eden Bridge think of Sadiq. Unlucky son. Get up there.
Down with Sadiq Khan. This is what Eden Bridge thinks of Sadiq Khan, the dreaded dictator, and his dreaded ULEZ cameras, and his dreaded ULEZ policy.
Is he going to
Time
blow?
for you to go, Sadiq Khan. You know, only see an Effigy going up in flames and sparks.
Boom.
And the shape's just an Effigy and not.
Yes, bro. Unlucky Sadiq. Sadiq, son. Unlucky.
Unlucky Sadiq.
We're coming for you.
Doctors certainly are coming for Sadiq Khan.
Khan, you're fired, dear wicked. If only that was the end of the ULEZ.
Yeah.
There we go.
There he goes, look. Going up nicely.
Nice fire. Bye-bye, Sadiq. We don't want you here. There we go. As he burns, we have now Effigy's demise.
Right, now he's gone up, I'm out of here.